Good morning and welcome back to my channel again, you guys. And in case you're new here, my name is DJ Lover. So today we are preparing African food. Right now I'm taking the ashes. I'm going to take you through the process so you can see the final result. Right now I'm taking out the ashes from the fireplace, and then we are going to sieve them using a sleeping net because we don't have an akichungi. What's the name of it? This is the fine particles and this is the waste. And then I'm going to mix them with dry maize, dry corn. Mix them well together. Dry maize, dry corn. Mix them well together. I'm going to put them in a pot and then add some water and continue mixing them together to avoid stacking on the pot. And then I'm going to leave them to boil for like 45 minutes. The main aim here is to remove the covers. I hope you saw that. I'm using maize cobs as fire wood. Then here, this is after 45 minutes, it's already done, and I'm going to clean them like 4 to 5 times to remove the ashes. So I'm putting them in a small maize sack to remove, to help me drain the water, and then to help me remove the covers, the maize covers too. After washing them, I'm going to put them back in the fire again, like with clean water, and then wait for them like 20 minutes again, and then do exactly what I just did. I want to know in the comments down below if you usually do this in your tribe. I'm a Kalenjin, and you know we can do anything, absolutely anything. Take you through the process. I'm adding beans to the cleaned corn. It's really clean. This is now potatoes and a pumpkin that I'm going to put them together. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, and share, and watch till the end, please. Thank you so much for being in this journey with me. I appreciate it. I have a mixture of potatoes and pumpkin that I'm going to fry them together right now. Some tomatoes. Almost ready. So it's very thin. Then also, let's check. Oh wow, okay. Let's check the bread. Okay. That's the final meal. Yeah, that is it. That's what I cooked. Wife material. Whoa, wait.